And welcome back everybody into another daily recap. Today is the 7th of February. It's a Wednesday and we're going to have a look at mainly the USD pairs. Maybe also have a look at GJ because today it moved quite nicely, but mainly of course GBPUSD and gold. Now as I was saying, now I'm going to switch just to the 1 minute chart and I'm going to backtest it and yada yada yada. But let's have a look at what happened today. As you can see, apart from a spike during the early pre-London, where we saw a bounce from an hourly PSA and an overall 40 pips move throughout the day, GBPUSD did not move much. This is yesterday, right? Yes. And you can see that, yeah, especially during the New York session, which is the one that I watch more closely, price did not move out of the range. Yes, it's a nice range, 18 pips, that you can scalp in the middle of it if you have like, maybe on a 20 tick chart you can see something different, but that will just be scalping in the middle of the range and with no confirmation. Yeah, I can see this entry, which is also the same one that I see on the 1 minute one, but apart from that, it's not really that clear and it's not really the perception that I want to trade in. As I was saying, yeah, no trade taken. This is from this is from this morning. Okay, yeah, I took the trade on GBPUSD this morning when I saw this price action. This price action, as you can see, was actually quite nice. At this time, price from the early pre-London bounce from these lows, from the hourly PSA, and bounce, and then attempted to break above. Very nice 3 minutes candle breaking above. I placed the retest with already like 8 pips, and we're going into nowhere. This is absolutely a perfect setup. Maybe a better entry would have been over there, using a 3 pip stop loss over here. Would have been still be stopped out, retesting these most recent lows, but still would only go to around a break even if I was safe enough with the entry. Anyway, just one loss and that's absolutely fine. Apart from that, price just stayed in the range throughout the whole session. Let's go on gold. Gold is where I took my second trade, and we're going to watch it. This is okay. This is the 20 tick. Let's go on the 1 minute. It is over here. This was doing a pre-New York. As you can see now, price bounced strongly from this area, broke and below these lows, and then when it broke below and retested these old lows, you can see this price sensitivity area. I took my entry. I didn't have this hourly thingy, but I mean it's still at the distance of a break-even trade, even if it's going to react to that hourly. We can easily go down to this area, which is around 30 pips, and yeah, from there price simply went up, didn't give me anything. Yeah, there's a 10 pip stop loss, which could have been much worse. After that, I didn't take any further entry because I missed an entry over here. I think it was based on the 20 tick chart this time, because I saw what did I see? Yeah, over here I saw this spike in volume. Over here I saw this break and retest, and I wanted to take this retest over here, and then at this PSA price will go around 8 pips and then spike up. This is just looks small, but it's 28 pips. Would have been another break-even trade. And after that, a very slow correction on the hindsight. It's an entry on the bearish side, but it's live. It's very difficult to do, especially because it didn't react to any hourly PSA. You see that the hourly is quite further above, so it was not even a retest of any specific area. And yeah, after that, price did not move much. As I was saying, I want to really stick to the 1 minute because it's more versatile and I can apply and use it on multiple platforms, multiple brokers multiple services. So today we end up with 2 losses, but that's okay. That's my goal of this period, is just to take trades and at least one a week, one a day. If we want to have a look at GJ, we can see that like it did on GBPUSD, we have a nice push up throughout the early London session. Very nice break and retest of this area, more clean after bouncing from an hourly PSA as well. Nice 20, 30, 40 pips on movement, retesting the PPL again, and then possible continuation. Here, any stop loss would have been fine. If you want to take the retest of these highs, it's again fine. If you retest the BPL, that's in that case, that's more risky because yeah, it's like 5.5 pips. But depending on the stop loss, on the TP, sorry, maybe at break even. Even then, after breaking above, now we are on the 1 minute, you can see that price can still give you very clean setups on the 1 minute. It's not like only the 20 ticks chart can give them to you. And apart from that, we're coming into the New York session. During New York, we see this spike down in volume, a bearish spike in volume, sorry. We have the reaction at this area. Bam, bam. We have a breakout and retest of that for a possible continuation down. This is like around 30 pip move, which is absolutely great. And apart from that, if you are just looking at it technically, you have a further retest of this area, but why not this one? So yeah, so probably if you had this, you take your loss. I don't know if you will take that end of pullback, but that's not my setup. And yeah, will still be for around 5 pips for around 20 pips in profit. Still maintaining a sort of bearish lower time frame structure. And on the hourly, where are we? Yeah, we are over there. Yeah, also, yeah, you can see that this one was also a nice hourly PSA. Look at the reactions over there. So it's quite understandable, this last reaction and rejection after this very nice 75 pip move throughout the London and early New York / pre-New York time. So that's pretty much it, I would say. GU, you can see further bounce. If you traded the range today, you would have made millions because it just kept bouncing up and down around. You place a sell limit over there and you cover here, you place a buy limit, you cover there. It's pretty much what happened. And yeah, that's pretty much it for today. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you tomorrow.